guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is actually a DIY Chanel inspired picture art. So what we have here is I've just found a few designs that I like on the internet and I've saved them into Photoshop, and I'm just adjusting them the way I think, or I'm adding little bits and pieces. So on the first picture I've added pink, and then I've added some more pink on the second picture, just to give the colour a bit of a backer, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to add glitter. So I'm just going to come up with a nice sort of phrase that I looked up online, and I'm going to set it the way that I think it'll look nice. So I'm just doing that now, finding the right fonts and everything that would look really nice, and then I'm obviously changing the size of the page to A4. Everything then needs sort of resizing so that it kind of works on the size of the page. Everything's just been resized to fit the wording, and I've carried on editing it until I'm completely happy. So now is the fun part. So I'm going to get the glue gun, and all the pink parts I'm going to put glue with the glue gun, and then I'm going to add this very cheap glitter set that I got from Home and Bargain, I think quite a long time ago, a set of many colours, and this one is kind of like a dusky pink, and I'm going to keep adding the glitter until the whole of the pink area is covered. Now the only reason I actually coloured it in pink in the first place is that if any of the glitter's kind of missing, it's still going to show pink underneath, so it's still going to help keep that colour, if you know what I mean. So that's the first one done, and then the second one I'm going to obviously glue her fingernail, which is pink. I could have done the whole happiness and the bath, but I thought that might be a little bit long, and to get the lettering right would have been difficult, so I've just done the little eye on the little dot on the eye. So this one again, I've added the Chanel wording, and this is just a picture again off the internet, and I'm just going to change all the colour of her nails and her lips to glitter. A dead easy way to sort of create your own art. So I keep adding it until I'm happy that it's covered enough, and when I'm done, it's time to frame them up. So here they look once they've been hung in their frames. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button, and I'll see you in the next video.